Don't be so focused.
Niggas like liquefied solids.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm very excited for today's video because I feel like I'm really paying tribute to my original YouTube days. In like 2014, when I would watch what's in my bag videos of the Louis Vuitton Never Full tote bag, every single bitch had that. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be featuring that in today's video, but I am going to be showing you 5 shoulder bags that are kind of like my go-to bags. I have many shoulder bags. I actually do have a collection video up from like last year. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. These are my current bags, so I pretty much just switch out between these 5 depending on my outfit. I have specific ones for specific things. We're gonna get into all of the tea. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to join the channel and so you don't miss any future uploads. Honey, hit the button, okay, period. I'm also gonna be showing you what I keep in my bag. So these are the things that I switch out every single time I switch my bags, basically. But first, I'll show you all 5 bags. We're gonna start off with a bag that I feel like I vow in every video I'm never gonna talk about again, but it's here, bitch, again. This is my bag from the brand XOXO. I thrifted this last summer and I have gotten my $8 worth. Let's just put it that way. This is the default bag, and when I feel like this just isn't, you know, completing the look, then I'll choose one of these other bags. But this is the immediate choice for every single outfit. I love that it has this metallic strap. It really adds to a neutral outfit, like a little pop of glam. I've added on my uniform kilt pin from high school, which I never used through all my years in high school, and then now I wear it every single day. And attached to that is this keychain. Every single day I need to look up XOXO on eBay, Poshmark, literally any website, because I need another bag by XOXO. Like, this one is just, it's really starting to get worn out. Obviously this is like a fake leather piping and it's starting to peel off. It's like really getting kind of beat up. I'm gonna be doing this in order of my favorites, okay? So this next bag, again, if you're a subscriber, I'm like extremely sorry, but this is the Guess bag I thrifted 2 summers ago. This is my go-to bag if I'm doing a denim outfit, wearing any sort of denim, or if it's just a blue cool toned outfit, I'll definitely reach for this bag. It has silver hardware and then some silver detailing on the strap. It does have atrocious purple lining, which almost made me not buy the bag. I'm not joking. I'm like, I feel like how, like what, and who decided to do this? This is also a bag I'll bring if I'm kind of carrying a little bit more than can fit in that shoulder bag. If you want to see me style this bag, any lookbook you decide to watch, it will be featured in. The next bag I've been wearing so much this past month, which is amazing because I bought this last summer as well and just didn't really wear it at all. It just never was something I was reaching for. It's from the brand Chinese Laundry. Also, it's been since I got my pink globe shoes, because the pinks just match so well that I've been really coordinating my full pink outfits with this bag. I really love that it's a bit larger. It doesn't look very big, but the last time I went to the park, I actually fit an entire bed sheet that I had folded up in here. All of those bags are pretty light colored, like they're not really gonna go with my all black looks. So for that, I usually carry this Betty Boop bag, which again, I thrifted, but it has Betty Boop on a motorcycle all over the bag, and it's got a bit of a longer strap. Obviously it's not a crossbody moment, but like it sits a little bit longer. So this was a bag I was carrying a lot in the winter time. I found when I had my puffer coat on or just like a bigger jacket in general, these tiny straps just would not stay on. It has these front pockets again, which, like, does anybody use these? I feel like I would forget if I put something in here. I would never be able to find it. This was definitely a purchase that I was hesitant about for some reason. I remember seeing it and being like, is this ugly? Thank God I bought it, because imagine I just like walked past this and was like, The next bag is this one from Dooney & Bourke. I actually got this from the Toronto vintage sale. I can't remember where it's held, but it's like an annual sale. I saw this and it was on the ground, like the bottom of a clothing rack. And I went up to the woman that was running the shop and I'm like, I need to buy that right now. It was honestly the rainbow zipper that sold me. It's every detail in this bag, honestly. The lining is this cherry red color. It's so clean, especially since it's a white. It's very rare to find a bag in this good condition. Vinyl, the texture, the colors. The only thing is the brown strap. I never wear brown, and I'm so weird about mixing brown and black together that literally just this strap, I'll put it on and I'm like, no, I can't do it. I've talked to my friends about this and they're like, Amanda, like, it's not that serious. Like, you can't even tell. It blends in with your skin. And I'm like, no, I actually cannot mix black and brown. I don't know what it is, if any of you guys are like that, but I still wanted to show you guys because I feel like I don't feature it because it's brown and it needs to have a moment. I'm gonna get into all the things that I actually carry in these bags. So as I mentioned, this is the default bag, thus all the essentials are in here, and I just switch them out whenever I decided to carry a different bag. So you can probably tell this shit is full, and it's basically because my sunglasses case takes up 99% of the storage. This case came with my glasses, and because of the shape of them, I need, you know, a case that's like kind of in this shape. But that one is just way too big. If you know somewhere that sells a sunglasses case that I could order from, let me know, because the next thing I have in here is, bitch, this Hello Kitty wallet, which you cannot see because it's so overexposed. Let me like zoom in quick. I got this wallet in Montreal from a store in Chinatown and I have no idea what the name was. I also tried to ask my friend after I left Montreal if she remembered, but she has no idea either. So I don't know exactly what the store is called, but I mean, maybe you could find this on eBay, like a Hello Kitty wallet or something, I don't know. As soon as I saw this, I already knew I had to buy it. The size of it is perfect because obviously I carry such small bags, but it still has like, you know, room for your cards, cash. It even has a change purse built in. Like, are you kidding me? And the quilted detail of it and the color was just like, I was sold immediately. Absolutely love it. Every single time I need to pull my wallet out, I'm like, okay, can everybody see? Can everybody see? Like, I just, you know, want the world to know that I own this because I really can't get over it. It's the cutest thing I probably own. And just imagine, out of this bag comes this wallet, bitch. Like, who did that? I did. Okay. I've obviously got my mask in here. I just got this one from Aritzia the last time I like ordered it off. I just added that shit in the cart, and honestly, I don't know if I'd recommend it. It's the linen one, and it's like a little bit itchy. I haven't put it in the dryer. I've only washed it like a couple times, so maybe it needs to go in the dryer in order to, I don't know, soften up, but it's not my favorite mask. A new addition to my bag is my Sony Handycam. I feel like I haven't actually like talked to you guys about this, even though I've filmed like 4 videos on my channel now with this. So I ordered this off of Facebook Marketplace. I had been wanting a camcorder for a long time, and they kind of just like blew up, and now so many people have them. But if you're looking to get one, I definitely recommend Facebook Marketplace. It's like so easy, and most of the time you can just pick it up rather than having to pay for shipping or anything. This one, it was $100. It came with everything. It even came with a carrying case for it, the original receipt, and it's so small. It's actually tiny, and you know, just turns on, and then it has like 4 buttons. This one records, and it's just the easiest thing to throw in my bag because it's so small. If you watch my vlogs from last summer, I was vlogging on my DSLR camera, which is what I'm filming on right now, which is huge and so heavy. So anytime I would leave the house, I'm like, well, I guess I'll just vlog on my phone. And then I would forget to vlog on my phone because I don't see it as a camera. I don't look at it and think, oh, I have to vlog. But when I carry this, I'm just like, I want to record everything. The next thing I have in here is my face sunscreen, which is from La Roche-Posay. This is the first year that I've actually bought a sunscreen, like specifically for my face, and used it and carried it around. I feel like it's like, you know, common knowledge at this point that you need to wear sunscreen. Like, let's get it going. So I was like, this year I need to really make that happen before it's July. The next thing I have is this Philosophy hand cream in the Hawaiian hibiscus scent. Hand cream for me is definitely an essential thing. It's not just in here for fun, bitch. If my hands are dry and I don't have hand cream, I literally don't know how to act. Like, I just have to go home because it annoys me so much. And I feel like hand cream is like lip balm in the sense that once you start using it and you kind of like condition yourself that you need it, you literally need it. So I did that. Last winter I started using hand cream religiously, and now in like the dead of fucking summer, I'm like, I need hand cream. My hands are so dry. But it's like, are they dry, or is it literally in my head? you know? I also have another Philosophy one, which smells so good. This is in the scent Fig and Pomegranate. Not gonna lie, I threw this in for the video. I found this in like one of my bags, but sometimes I have gum on me. Honestly, if I were to buy gum, I buy the green 5 gum. And I just have my AirPods and my keys. This bag also has a side pocket here, which I don't know, I've been really into organizing my bags and like putting things in the right pockets and then knowing exactly where they are. In this pocket, it's like beauty things. I have a tampon in here, okay, like we get it. But then I also just have so many lip products and I'm gonna go through them all with you. I need to carry around my whole lip combo. I don't know if anybody has this dilemma problem, but I finish doing my makeup and then I know I have to put a mask on if I'm taking the subway or like doing whatever. So I kind of don't do my lips, and then before I meet up with someone, I'm like, okay, shit, I have to find somewhere to like do my whole lip combo now. Cause I'm not gonna put a fresh coat of gloss on and then my mask on over top. So you already know I have to bring every single, hold on. I have to bring every single product with me. And I always do this ColourPop lip liner in Chai. I ordered this so long ago, but I never really used it and now I'm obsessed with it. So this is what I'm wearing today. And then I use this Maybelline lipstick. This is in the color Nude Lust. Great lipstick, honestly, so affordable. I definitely switch out my glosses depending. Today I'm wearing this NYX lingerie gloss in the shade Butter. The color is great, but it just doesn't wear well. So if I don't want to deal with that, I usually just do this RK by Kiss lip oil, which is so glossy. And then I threw in a chapstick the last time I was carrying my bag because sometimes I'm like, I don't want to put a fucking lipstick or a lip gloss. I just need lip balm and I don't have anything. So I put in this little cherry chapstick. I have a spoolie to touch up the brows. You already know what it is. I feel like I never use it, but if I didn't have it, I would definitely need it. And then hair ties. That's everything I keep in my bag. I definitely have quite a few things. I don't feel like it's crazy though. I carry really small bags, so I don't really have as much room to bring. I don't even know what else I would bring, but I'm just like remembering watching these videos back in the day, and I feel like people would be like, okay, next I have my emergency kit. Like all these next things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it brought you back to the good old days of YouTube in 2014. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.